was your overall reaction to Punch Needle PLUS?
Oh my heck, I love it. There is nothing Kimberbell's come out with that I don't like, but this is a really good idea because as you get older, you know, there are times where you can't be a machine or you have to go visit people on an airplane or traveling in a car. The Amazon kits are nothing like this, or the ones that you buy at other stores. And these kits are amazing and they're so well designed, and the needles are bigger so that they're easier to hold on to than, you know, than smaller needles. They are incredible. I mean, she's got them for all the holidays and for every day, and theirs must be 15 of them or something. They're wonderful.
How likely are you to purchase Punch Needle PLUS projects in the future?
Absolutely.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult is Punch Needle PLUS?
With 10 being the most difficult, probably about 2 or 3.